No, I don't know. Have we started recording? Hey. Okay. All right. So, good afternoon. So this is Mechanical 303 Engine Mechanics. So we're going to talk about our course outline. Right. So on your right, these are the topics that we are going to cover, as you can see. So week 1, we have pure bending. Week 2, we're going to see pure bending again and shearing stress. Now, the pure bending, I know you guys have done 2P. Okay, we are going to go more into detail. Okay, so if you were to ask me what is the percentage of content repeat between 2P and 3A, it's about less than 10%. Okay, so don't take it for granted that you know 2P. Okay, 2P, I'm good to go. 3A is going to be a repeat. No. Okay, I'll show you why it's not a repeat in today's lecture. Okay. Then week 2, we're going to look at shearing stress. Now, what you see over here are the chapter in the textbook. Okay. So if you want to read, you want to try reading the textbook, be my guest, but don't bother. Just listen to what I say. You're better off that way. Okay. So week 2, week 3, week 4, you have your shearing stress. Then we have our term test 1 on week 5. Okay. So the term test, what I propose on the term test is the term test. So all the term tests, one and two, will be on a Friday. So we'll still also be in class, okay, from 2:30, okay, and go up to 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, and we'll go up to 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5, and we'll go up to about 5:45 p.m. Okay, and it will be within this time frame. Okay, so I believe that is my slot. Hopefully no one, what day is that? That's always a Friday. Okay, so if you look at week 5 on a Friday, I will do the dates later on. Okay, and then week 10 on a Friday, 2:30 to 5:45 also. So I believe by doing that, I don't get any conflict. Anyone will tell me, do you have any conflict? Okay, I don't have any comments. And if you do have conflict, let me know. Okay, I can do some arrangement. Okay, I can do some arrangement. So,
Professor, I believe there's people waiting to join the class.
oh, thank you for telling me. Oh God, hold on. Manage team pending. No, there are none. Apparently, they're all here. Okay. So week 6 is going to be reading week. Okay. 7, 8, and 9. So 7 will be Mohs circle, principal stress. Okay. Then week 10 will be your term test 2. Now, when doing your term test, I know that I will lose 2 hours because of you writing an exam. I will do recorded lecture still. Okay, I will record the lecture and you can view it later on. Okay, and this, so there are 2 recorded lectures. One is on 2D Mohs circle. You can see down here, which you guys who have taken 3C will know more about 2D Mohs circle now. Okay, and then term test 2, when you're doing your term test, I'll be doing a recorded lecture on integration method for load, shear, and bending moment. And this topic over here has been touched very briefly by Dr. Koshi. Okay, that's why I'm going to do a recorded lecture. Then week 11 and week 12 will be deflection of beams and columns. Okay, and columns will be dealing with buckling. Okay, so and that's week 13. Somehow the computer did not copy. Week 13 is also on columns. Okay, now, so this is the lecture content. So if you, as I said, if you have to ask me how many percentage of the class is the same like 2P, I'll say 10%, and that 10% is your blah, 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 is your 10% is similar to 2P. Okay, the rest are not the same. Right. Then course textbook. Okay, is mechanics of material, and is by Beer and Johnson. So you know where to get the textbook. Okay, wing wing. Okay, so you know where to get it. So next we talk about assessment. Okay, assessment. So you will have 8 quizzes, and your quizzes will always be on a Friday. What time is our Friday tutorial? Anyone? 9:30 or 10:30?
It's 9:30.
Yeah, 9:30 to 10:20 p.m. AM. Oh, PM. Yeah, right. Okay, so I'll tell you more about the quiz later on. Okay, will be on every Friday. So this is the time of your tutorial. So at this time, your tutorial. So let me write this for the lecture. Will be live or synchronous. Okay, tutorial will be asynchronous. Okay, so you watch videos. Okay, you can watch it anytime, or if you don't want to watch it, you don't watch it, but it's useful to watch the video. Okay, so we're going to have 8 quizzes on Friday, 9:30 to 10:20. Okay, so I'm thinking how to I've not thought about how to handle the quizzes yet, in terms of the logistic. Okay, but bear with me. So this Friday, no quiz, but you have tutorial. You have to come to class this Friday at 9:30 because I'm going to teach useful stuff. Are we clear? Okay, so on this Friday, tomorrow, I see you at 9:30. Okay, with a ham and cheese sandwich from McDonald's, hopefully, right? Then you have your test 1, test 2, and your final exam. Okay. So I need your opinion on this. Okay. So this quiz is worth 10%. Okay, it's worth 10% on Friday night. Then I'm gonna have your average grade, average mark. Okay, to be 40%. Highest mark to be 30%. No, 20%. And your lowest mark is 30%. Okay. So this does not mean your final exam is 40%. Okay. So so for example, test number 1, you get 90. Test number 2, you got 30. Final exam, you got 70. Okay. So how does this work? Okay. So your lowest mark will be equal to 30%. Your highest mark will be 20%. And the middle, which average is not a good name. Middle grade is going to be 70%. What do you think? Anyone? Hello?
Doesn't that kind of screw us over?
Huh? Hello?
Our highest mark is gonna be worth the least?
Yeah. So what do you want?
Could you make our highest mark weighted the most?
The highest mark weight the most. No, let me why I do that, because then you will work consistently. Okay, if not, you won't work consistently. Okay, how about I do this? Okay, how about I do this? This one is 30%. This one is 20%. How's that?
That sounds way better, yeah.
That sounds much
Oh,
better.
yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah, yeah,
So,
I like that.
right? So I know sometimes like now you all have a lot of energy, right? So if when you have a lot of energy, you'll do well, Then come middle of the term, you will do not so well. Final exam, you want to go to Barbados, you don't do well. You get where I'm coming from? Yes or no? Okay. So what do you think now? Is it okay? Where is the
Yeah, it sounds way
gentleman?
better.
Yeah, where's the gentleman that say I'm screwing you guys over? I want to hear from him. What do you think now? Hello.
Better?
Better? You are okay with it? Hello. He's not responding. Is this okay? Oh, probably internet issue. Okay, so everyone is happy with this? Yes.
I didn't speak up earlier because I wanted to double check, but I think we have a test conflict for the first and second term tests.
What?
Because we have a heat transfer test on the 12th of February at 6:30 p.m. So like they don't technically overlap, but it'll be pretty hellish for us.
Oh, okay.
I mentioned it in the chat.
Okay, I can't see. I don't see the chat because the other computer is quite far away. So this is with Dr. Judd, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll need to talk to Dr. Judd about it. Okay.
Okay,
Because
thank
yeah, Friday is my time, and okay, I'll talk to Dr. Ross Judd. Good luck to me, Dr. Judd. Okay. So if that is okay, everyone is okay with, okay, then I'll sign on it. Okay. So this is our course outline. So as I said, why I decide to hello? Yes. Someone is trying to speak and I'm not hearing from him. Okay. So yeah, I think this I was thinking how to assess you guys. I was thinking about the final exam is 40%, so on and so forth. I realized that yeah, it's gonna be really tough. Okay, so it all whether what weightage it is, it all depend on regardless. Okay, it's not necessarily final exam is going to be 40%. Final exam can be worth 20%, for example. Okay, so on and so. So if you pick this strategy, my kind advice is do really well for test 1 and test 2. Okay, then your final exam you can take it easy and focus on some other courses like heat transfer, those of you who are taking. Okay, right. So on that note, so any other questions, anything else I need to tell you? Nope, these are the most important thing. Okay, so I have already put, if you go to Avenue, okay, if you were to go to Avenue, I already upload this example 1. Okay, so this is the example that I'm going to show you. Okay, example I'm going to show you. And what will you learn from this course? So this is an overview. Okay, this is an overview what you'll be getting out from this course. Okay, right. So I'm going to get the okay. So I'm going to look at. So we're going to look at introduction. All right. I hope you all can see the screen well. So let's look at this example over here. That's specify. Okay. So this is a classical engine problem that we see, right? So we have internal load of a cross section along a steel shaft of a ship. Okay, so I'm going to get the image of the steel shaft. Okay, so this is the steel shaft of the ship that you can see. Okay,